rainy day.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you our trip to ICA, Institute of Contemporary Art. I hope you enjoy. Let's go.
You can see it line up with the water.
Oh, that's what it
This is from ICA.
ICA's dynamic visual arts program features major thematic exhibitions, surveys of leading contemporary artists and new commissions, and introduces emerging artists in first ever solo museum shows. Maybe I'll have one in the future. Or my cousin Jeff. So to ICA, check out Jeff Albea Arts. Let's go, Jeff! This is giving me a Queen Charlotte vibe.
You're welcome to take a seat around the table. We just ask that you refrain from touching anything on the table itself.
And it is fully accessible, and companion seating are available in the Barbara Lee Family Foundation Theater.